10 least known and more interesting facts about apples.
If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. Let's get into the content.
Number 1. Apples are a member of the rose family, along with pears, peaches, plums, and cherries. Number 2. There are over 7,500 known varieties of apples grown worldwide. Number 3. Apples are one of the most widely cultivated fruits, with China being the leading producer. Number 4. The science of apple growing is called pomology. Number 5. Apples float in water because they are 25% air. Number 6. Apple seeds contain a small amount of cyanide, but you would have to eat a lot of them to get sick. Number 7. Apples can help clean your teeth and freshen your breath. Number 8. The old saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away," may have some truth to it. Apples are rich in antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin C. Number 9. The largest apple ever picked weighed over 3 pounds. Number 10. Apples are the state fruit of New York, which produces more apples than any other state in the US. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe shortshanvlogs.